besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color. Shout out to Iris being Iris for requesting a 90s/2000s inspired frosted lippy. You guys, this was the inspiration. I was so excited to make this beautiful lippy because I was already in my metallic series bag, so this kind of just added to the collection. I am so happy and thankful to Iris for requesting this color. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game. Let's mix it up.
So today's beautiful color goes by the name of Columbia. It is a beautiful 90s 2000s inspired lipstick. It is a satin shine lipstick. It's giving like a neutral with a little peach undertone going on, so it can definitely pose as a neutral. Love the way this color turned out. The recipe for this color and all of my other recipes will be on my Patreon. For a small pledge a month, you'll have access to all of my recipes, including different perks like Patreon member discounts and early access videos. So to my bowl, I have my Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base. You can grab that from my website, veryveelobeauty.com. And then I'm going to be going in with some honey blush mica today. I grabbed this from Nurture Soap. The link will be in the description as well. And I'm just going to add that to my bowl.
You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell him, say I can cut the old break my lease so I can move. 'Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call back. Ain't no bill, let my email stop. 'Cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and I just see it ain't cool. It's not.
Now I'm going to go ahead and build some undertones. I'm going in with some FD&C red number 27, which is the pink one. And then I'm going in with some yellow 1, which is the yellow Alum Lake batch certified, of course. And then I'm just going to fold that in and I'm going to follow up with the hand mixer.
That you be calling me, stressing me, paging my beat, but you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you already have a milk pot too.
Right here is where I could see the vision, but I decided to amp up that yellow and that orange, aka the peach. I'm sorry, the yellow and the pink, which is the red 27. I added some more and some more yellow 1. And just like that, you guys, we are done. This color was fairly simple. And then I'm going in with some Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base, just a little more base to really capture that shine and to give that metallic a little push, just like a little extra shine. And just like that, we're done. And I love the way this color came out. It's like a rose gold with a peach undertone, a beautiful neutral that is so suitable for all skin tones. You guys, I really love the way that this color came out. Again, thank you, Iris, for a 90s inspired look. And we wouldn't have 90s if we didn't line our lips. So I just lined my lips with that beautiful brown, fall brown that I made the other day. Look back in my past videos and for the recipe to that. And then I'm just going to take that beautiful metallic or Columbia and place it in the center of my lips. And then I'm just going to, you know, kind of blot to blend those colors in. And it came out so beautiful. This is how it looks in lower lighting. Like if you're somewhere where the lighting is dim, this color really shines, you guys. I did not add any gloss, so that little bit of base that I added on to the end really amped this color up. I am so pleased. I'm so impressed. I love the way this color came out. You guys, let me know your thoughts. It is so pretty. And you guys, it is that time of year again. Black Friday. I'm having my annual Black Friday, early Black Friday sale. It is already up and running on my site. So please, please, please feel free to take advantage. It's 30% off the entire site. That includes classes, all products, everything. Thank you so much for all the support you have shown me over the years. You guys, I can't stress how grateful I am to all of you. I love you. Until next time.